Sixx the Locksmith here with Pixx by Sixx Lock and Key. Today we'll be talking about a BE365 by Schlage and how to address it when the batteries die. Normally you can go and walk right up, enter your code, and then it lets you in. Now if we're locked and the batteries are dead, you can't get in without the keypad unless you have an emergency override key. Now if you stick the key in, it's going to want to spin by itself, but if we line it up and it falls into position, this will allow you to override the lock without a keypad. Once again, we pull the key out, we'll put the key in however it fits in, and then 45 degrees over or 3 o'clock, it presses in, and now you're in.